I am so done with this surprising. Cat, what is God doing here? Oh, I'm just being surprised me because B is start with C and F. Sing sing five's new look. And I do have a footage. By morning, he's in a subway. He's in a subway number 4 because it's the corrector 4. Okay, guys, how do you like my new look? Here we go again. Let's just wait for B to come back, and then we'll do take 22. God damn it, make it stop. Pause. What is Small Fry from Toy Story 2 doing here? Oh, I'm just W's replacement because W is out there fishing right now. I can't show you the footage, sorry. Since R exploded, let's go on to take 23. Please, just stop it. Cat, what is Marikit's B doing here? Oh, I'm just Subway B's replacement because, let me guess, she's with Sing 5's new look? No, she's the great with H and X. Sorry, I don't have a footage due to the copyright reasons. This needs to stop. I'm getting so impatient. This is getting boring and is an overused joke. Let's just do take 24 while we wait for B to come back. And it's 24. And it's 24, not 24. It's cringe as hell. For crying out loud. Do you have to drag me for this? Cat, we made another color blooper. What is the color blooper are we in? You guys have the markers out production text letter colors. But except S. Why did you do that? Brrr. It's okay. Also, we changed the colors too. Change the colors back to normal, and then we'll do take 25. Please, just stop it. Cat, what is Google Play Games doing here? Oh, I'm just A's replacement because A is at the space. Wow, I love space. What was that? I think R exploded. Let's go on to take 26. Oh my god, I did get another song blooper like that. Got a cat in my butt. We have to know. I said got a cat. We made another color blooper on a subtext. Now, what's the color blooper subtext are? The subtext is blue if you wish. Whoosh. Oh, I see. Get it in everybody who's responsible for this. Whoosh. Oh, oops. It's okay, we'll change the back to normal. Then we'll do take 27. Thank you very much. Oh, for Canada's sake. Cat, why is there Marikit's letters or Subway doing here? Oh, oops, I didn't mean to be here. Well, this isn't that I was tired of you raging. Anyways, let's just wait for you guys to leave the studio, and then we'll do take 28, everybody. Oh my, what did you sauce? Cat, What is Trollface doing here?
Step 1. What is the director is talking about? Step 2. Go and sit through the studio's basement. Step 3. Wait, what is that about? Let's rip it out. Step 4. Wait, what the heck? Acid? Oh no. Step 5. Acid
Where did Trollface go? Oh well, it doesn't matter. Anyways, let's just forget this blooper and then we can move on to take.
We are so screwed right now.
Many hours are revealed in the studio later. Okay. Who's picking out for the eighth time? Because I am free. Did recognize since movie one, and also I'll be the co-director. Okay, I think that's not stuffing for you. Anyways, let's do take 30. Cut, why is W holding inside this is 30? Because we made it to the 30th blooper. It is? Okay, let's go on to the next take, which is take 31.